So, very good morning, students. In today's part, we shall be discussing about the grammar syllabus, which is not more. But hence, as the time continues, we need to also check on the grammar part. So, in today's lecture, we shall be looking at the articles, the section of the articles. So, let's begin. So, basically, the question is what are articles? So, articles are words that are used before nouns. So they belong to a group of words known as determiners. So basically when we are studying about articles, we are going to be learning about determiners. I'll try to make another video especially on determiners where we'll discuss all of them. But as for today, we shall be discussing about the articles only. So these articles are used to define a noun as specific or general. So when we are talking in a particular sense, okay, when we are talking about a particular object or we are talking about generally about everything, we use the articles, okay. They sometimes function as adjectives. So these articles sometimes function as an adjective. So there are three types of articles such as a, an and the. So here is an example for you. We will be discussing such as a cat, an umbrella and the red car. So when we talk about the articles are of two types. One are the definite articles and second are the indefinite. So definite articles here are the and indefinite are a and an. So when we talk about definite here, definite means a specific thing. We are talking about something specific. It is used to specify an object or a person. And the indefinite is thus that which is used in generally. So generally when we are talking about something, it is used the definite articles which are used there is a and an. So as we proceed, when we are talking about the indefinite articles, sometimes people are confused whether we should use a or an, where we have to use a or where we have to use an. So the answer to this is that as we know, a and an are used in front of singular nouns, but how do we decide when to use a or an? So this a and an are actually used in front of singular nouns, everything that is singular, okay. Everything that counts as a one, we have to use a and an in front of them. So there are 26 alphabets in English, so such as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So when we are talking about the alphabets, some of them are vowels and some of them are consonants. So such as if you talk about the vowels, so A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. And the others are consonants such as B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So A is used in front of singular consonant and an is used in front of a singular vowel. So speaking about the examples, if there is a word apple here, so if you look at the structure of apple here, A, P, P, L, E. So it begins with A. So it's an example, this particular word, the beginning word, what is the alphabet is an vowel. So the answer here will be an apple, an umbrella. If you look at ka, the C, okay, C is a consonant. So the article used here will be a car, a dog, a tree, a man, okay, a mobile phone, an egg, an aeroplane, an ice cream. Then you have a computer, a horse, a box. Then you have a city and a movie. So as we have learned that where to use a and an, there are some rules of using this articles a and an. For example, a and an both must be used in front of only singular nouns which can be counted. So those nouns which can be counted and which are singular, that means they are not in many numbers, that then only we can use a and an. For example, a pen, okay, and not a pens. Next is an elephant and not an elephants. So the next rule is that an can be used only if the word begins with a vowel sound. So an is used only in front of those words which begin with a vowel sound. For example here, an octopus and not an cat. So an cat is wrong, but what is correct? An octopus, something which begins with O. For example, there is an egg, an elephant, an umbrella, so things. Okay, next. But sometimes an can be used in front of words which may sound like vowels. In some cases, it may appear that the particular word does not look anyhow like an vowel. For example, an R. So I said an R. Okay, the spelling of the word is H-O-U-R, but when we actually pronounce this particular word, it sounds like R. See, it sounds like R. So when it sounds like R, okay, it becomes a vowel like sound. So next is an honor. Okay, an honor is like a prize, but sounds like honor. So this particular word also becomes where you can add an article "an" here. So we can use a or an generally when we are talking about professions such as a doctor, an engineer, an actor, a teacher, a dancer, an artist, a director, a singer, and etc. So this one is very important. The correct form of using a and an is that article plus noun. For example, a dress, a car, a dog, an egg, an omelette. Then the other form is article plus adjective plus noun. That is a red dress, a blue car, a cute dog, a brown egg, and etc. So now let us see the next article, that is the definite articles, which is the. So the word the is a definite article. It is generally talks or directs to a specific object. So when you are talking about a particular object, out of many objects or group of objects, we use the article the. It can be used for words starting with a vowel and a consonant sound. So here there is no differentiation between using the. You can use the whether the word starts with a vowel or a consonant sound. It can be used for all nouns such as singular, plural, countable or uncountable nouns. So there is no specification that like the indefinite articles are used specifically only for singular nouns. Here we can use the for all types of nouns, whether they are single, they are multiple, they are countable, that means you can count, or uncountable where they are in a state where you cannot count them. So there are two ways where we pronounce the. So many of you have heard people using this pronunciation as the and the. So what is this here? The usually when the word is a consonant, this the is pronounced as the. For example, the car, the house, the man. And the second pronunciation is the. So the usually when the word is a vowel, so the beginning of the word when it is a vowel, for example here earth, E. So then we can pronounce this the as the earth, the universe. This is the only difference between both of them. So let us see and talk about the next one. Now the various uses, let us talk about the various uses. The first use, that it is used with reference to a specific object. When you are specially talking about one particular object, then only use. For example, the girl in green shirt came first. So here this in these all many people, this girl who came first, we're talking about this one who came first. The brown dog with long ear bites. So out of all these dogs, we're talking about this brown dog with the long ears. So specifically when we're talking about a specific thing, about exactly that thing, we can use the article. The next one is, it is used in reference with an object already repeated in a sentence. So one object which is repeated twice in a sentence, we can use it. For example, an elephant is a royal animal. The elephant lives in dense forest. So here the word elephant is repeated twice. Okay, so in the first time it is an elephant, and in the second time we have used the article the here. So the next here is, I ate an ice cream. The ice cream was creamy and very tasty. So the first time it was an ice cream, and the second time it is already mentioned second time, then it becomes the ice cream was creamy and very tasty. So the is used with objects which are unique or one and only one in the entire world. For example, the earth, which is only one and only one in the entire earth. The next is the moon, the sky, the world, the sun, such things, okay, which are unique, which are only one in the world. That time you can use the article the. So we can use the it is used when one singular noun represents the whole class. It means one particular object is representing the entire set of objects. For example, the dog is a loyal animal. So we are talking not only about a dog but the entire class of dogs. There are different types of dogs. We are talking about all these dogs. The cow is a domestic animal. We are talking not about only one particular cow but the entire race of cows which are used as domestic animals. So the can be used in front of names or proper nouns. See, this is the difference here. Proper nouns. For example, the Indian Ocean, the Dead Sea, the Thar Desert, the Prime Minister of India, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, then you have the Bhagavad Gita. So here is a small twitch. There is a small difference. See, not just all proper nouns, but we can use them if they are names of some nouns. For example, the Indian here is a proper noun, correct? And ocean here is a noun. So Dead Sea is a name of a noun. Okay, the Thar Desert, the Thar Desert. So now it becomes the Thar Desert. Okay, the Prime Minister of India. Prime Minister is actually a noun, a proper noun. Okay, then the Chief Minister, it's post given to Maharashtra. The Bhagavad Gita. So before we take your leave, let us understand the revision of the grammar lesson or articles. Some important note. So all the articles here are used for a specific reason. So always use the correct form of the articles, that is article plus noun or article plus adjective plus noun. For example, a carom board or a big carom board. So this is the correct form of the using the articles. Next, use a and an for general nouns. So when we are talking generally about some things, all of them, just not one of them, we use a and an. For example, a car and egg. That means all of them. We are talking about generally we are talking about everybody in that sense. Use the for specific nouns. So thus this the or the should be used for specific nouns. So the earth, exactly it. So we are talking only about this earth. So only one earth. So that's why we use the. Use a before a consonant. So a should always be used in front of a singular consonant, singular things. So when we talk about singular, that means while counting those objects, it should be only one, like a dog. So consonants are those alphabets which start from B, C, D to Z. Then use an before a singular vowel. That, for example, an umbrella here. So the vowels are given like A, E, I, O, U. So any word which starts with these vowels, the sounds. So an should be used especially only on that, and which are singular. That means only one. So the next rule is that don't use articles for general names of people, place, language or nationality. So the articles are not used in such cases. A place where the articles cannot be used or the nouns where the articles cannot be used is also known as zero articles. For example, an India is not going to happen, a Samir, the English, and American. In such cases, you cannot use any articles, whether they are singular or plural. You cannot use a, an, and the here. So this place is known as the place where no articles are used, also known as zero articles. Don't use articles for noun showing abstract ideas or emotions. So wherever there are ideas or emotions, you cannot use any articles. Like we are the friends, it means we are friends. I am a hungry, it's not going to happen, it's I am hungry. She is beautiful, a beautiful, it's not going to happen. The answer is she is beautiful. So friends, hungry and beautiful are all abstract ideas and emotions. So next is don't use articles with general uncountable nouns. So generally when we are talking about objects which are uncountable, like example, he is drinking the water, it's not going to, this is the wrong form, it is the he is drinking water. She is filling a petrol, no, she is not filling a petrol, it is she is filling petrol. They are eating the rice, it is not the rice, it is they are eating rice. So these are some rules that you have to remember while using the articles. And then only you can use this the article the. So here we end, and there are some examples for you for practice. So these examples you can complete as practice for checking out whether you have understood this particular lecture of the articles.